Guys, pasensya na kayo sa itsura ko ha. Sana hindi kayo matakot. Sisi, okay, ito yung i-highlight ko nga. Oo nga eh. Ika-picturean ko pang highlight ko ha. Oo Ning, lagay mo doon sa maliit na yon. Yan. Kain na. So, welcome to Summer Island, Philippines. This is our breakfast. I'm eating breakfast with Ate Ning USA. If you guys have not subscribed to her, please do so. Ate Ning USA is her channel. In English ko guys kasi I'm doing the highlight. And this is the danggit. What is danggit? Parrot fish? Dried fish, vinegar, and brown rice, fried rice, and puto, and coffee. And Ate Ning is gonna eat Frank's leftover. And we also have achara. Ate Ning made the achara the other day, the other night. So we have achara. And we have scrambled eggs. We have scrambled eggs. Our utensils. Tabi natin yung grocery. Binigay sa amin ni Ate Ning. Ate Ning gave this to us. We need this really bad. Right here. And cream of corn. I need that. And gave us peanut butter from the US. And here we go. So, and let's go through one more time. Scrambled eggs, rice cake or rice muffin, steamed rice muffin, puto. And danggit, I believe these are parrot fish. I'm not sure. Dried fish, that's really good. Brown fried rice, coffee, achara, and then vinegar. And it's ready to eat. Okay, bago na lang ko ng bago. So, and then I'm gonna make ginger tea. Where's my cup? What did I do with my cup? What did I do with my cup? I think I left it upstairs. Ito na lang. Paki bubit ng loy Oh, chocolate na lang gamitin ko. No, I'm not gonna have. I don't know where my cup is. I'm just gonna have hot chocolate.
Okay.
This is my hot chocolate right here. And then a little bit of cream.
Oh, ate, ikaw mag-ano kung ilan ang gusto mo tapos ako maglagay ng mainit na tubig.
So I put about two of these. It's hard to probably 3.
Kasi malabnaw ito.
And then this one, cream.
Meron din dito. Okay. May ano siya.
A little bit of cream.
Okay.
Sara mo ning mabuti kasi nilalanggam.
Lulutong ko yun kasi hindi ko pa
Okay. There you go. And then, whoa, we are ready to eat. Nabugbog sa oh. So I'm gonna put you in